Hi, I'm Shruti. I'm a 23-year-old trying to adopt a sustainable lifestyle in India on a budget. So follow along with my journey and see how you can also incorporate sustainable lifestyle choices and can make better consumer decisions that are pocket friendly and better for the environment. And I'm super excited to share something with you that is very close to my heart, and it is my sustainable journey. I have dabbled with YouTube over the years in different scenarios, and I think I just never ended up sticking to it. And I guess this is my 2025 resolution to document my lifestyle choices, my journey towards living a more sustainable lifestyle, and hoping to inspire other people who are sort of on the fence about it. I had to say that, this is where my journey began. I would sort of pinpoint it to when I was back in my 7th grade, when I participated in a community pop-up festival where I did face painting and donated all the proceeds that I got to Gunj. And a couple of months later, I did a collection drive for waste crayons in my society and made recycled crayons out of it that we ended up selling, and whatever proceeds we did collect was again donated to Gunj. And I think I've sort of been doing that on and off throughout my childhood. I say that my parents have also been a huge inspiration. From when I can remember, they've conducted plantation drives near our house, near government schools in our area. There's a temple that we live close to, and to date, my parents go on a weekly basis to add fertilizers, water the plants. And I think a couple of years ago, one of the jamun trees they planted had given fruits. So it's been a very rewarding journey. In my 12th grade, I had opportunities to work with organization like industry that works with women from lower income groups to make home decor products from banana fibers, which is essentially considered waste. In the pre-pandemic days, I had the opportunity to intern with an organization called Creative Dignity that was an aggregator platform for connecting artisans directly to buyers. This eliminated any sort of middleman and essentially providing more demand for artisanal products. Since then, I've volunteered and worked with several organizations over the course of time. One being the Pre-Loved Co., which is a charity thrift store that's based in Bangalore. I volunteered with them for events and pop-ups. I've also worked with sustainable fashion forums that help raise awareness about sustainable fashion and conduct workshops and drives to combat sustainable fashion and make it more accessible. Now I'm sort of diving deeper into this journey, educating myself about my consumer choices, and I just want to share my learnings with everyone, hoping that someone or the other would be inspired by it, and to make people understand that as a 23-year-old, if I can incorporate these small lifestyle choices, anybody can. This channel is essentially my space to share honest reviews about products, conscious swaps that I've made, budget-friendly tips that I am looking into, how to attain a sustainable lifestyle by making small yet conscious choices, learning a bit more about our consumer patterns and understanding what kind of impact it does truly have in the environment, trying to explore sustainable swaps that are accessible yet pocket friendly, and I am just here to document my journey throughout all of this. This isn't about being perfectly sustainable, it's about progress. It's about buying one less item, trying to see what you can make the best of what you have, and you will save money along the way. You can invest in travel, you can invest in experiences instead of materialistic things. I'm here to normalize imperfect sustainability and to make you understand that even small choices matter at the end of the day. Follow along with my journey, and thank you for being here. I really hope someone's here, but I can't wait to share my journey with you and hopefully have more people join the movement. See you soon, and bye for now.